Hello everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at these rose flowers. Let's make them. We are using a red craft paper. We are making the petals. Now cut these petals and paste it using a glue. After that we are going to curl the petals like this. After that we are going to paste all of them together one after another on a green stick like this. And look, your flower is ready. Make the leaves using a green craft paper. Paste all of them like we are doing here, and look, your flower is ready. Look at this flower. Let's make it. We are making a stick by rolling green craft paper. After that, make multiple cuts on the yellow craft paper like this. We are going to roll it around the stick using double-sided tape like this. Same way, make multiple cuts on the pink craft paper and roll it as well around the yellow one like we are doing here using double-sided tape. After that, roll a green like this, and look, your flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.